So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Geek Jam. In this video, I will guide you with how you can record Apple Intelligence activity on macOS 15.1. So you can record the activity of Apple Intelligence from the system settings. Let me show you how. So first of all, click on this Apple icon on the top left corner. Now click on System Settings. Scroll down on the left pane. Now click on Privacy and Security. After this, scroll down and click on Apple Intelligence Report. Now you will have to enter your Mac's password. After this, click on this drop-down menu next to Report Duration. Here you will see three options: 15 minutes, 7 days and off. Now select this option if you want to export the activity of 15 minutes. After this, click on Export Activity. In this section, type the name of the report file. Now click on this drop-down menu and select the location where you want to save the report. For example, I want to save the report on desktop, so I select desktop. Now click on Export. Now as you can see, Apple Intelligence report is saved on my desktop. So this is how you can record Apple Intelligence activity on macOS 15.1. So that's it for this video. If you find the information shared in this video useful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.